Hi guys, you're welcome to the latest Bloom airdrop update. In today's video, I will show you how you can link your email to your Bloom account. You will learn how you can be able to connect your Bloom account to your email. You can see on the screen right there, immediately I opened up my Bloom mining app on Telegram. This popped out. You can see it right there. You can see what's written there. They said enhance security by linking your email for another login option. So guys, this task now they're asking us to do is for the purpose of securing our account for the upcoming Bloom airdrop. So let me take you guys through the process of linking your email to your Bloom account. You can see where it is written link email down there. What you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to go ahead now and impute or paste your email address. You can see the space right there. So let me go ahead now to paste it. Let me do that real quick. You can see there I've pasted it. So what I have to do next now is to tap on where you can see submit. You can see it down there. So let me tap on submit. You can see what popped out. Check your email. So an email has been sent to us. So what I will do now is to go over to my Gmail app now to check my inbox for the email that has been sent. This is to verify my email. So let me go now. Let me go to my home page of my phone. Let me go back. Then let me look for my Gmail app. Let me scroll upwards now. Then let me tap on it to open it. You can see my Gmail app right there. Now is the email. You can see it right there, Bloom. That's the email from Bloom. So let me tap on it to open it. Here's the email. You can see what's written there. Link your email to Bloom. One click away. Let me scroll upwards. What you can do now is to read through this. So the next step you have to take now is to tap on link email. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. You can see now it's loading up. You can see the next step. So what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see open app. We have to open the Telegram app to go over to the Bloom mining app on Telegram. But in case you don't have Telegram, what you have to do now is to tap on download at the top. They'll be able to download the Telegram app. But I have Telegram app, so let me tap on open app. So I will direct it to Telegram. Continue. I'm being directed to Telegram right now. My Telegram has opened up, and let's see what's going to happen. And my Bloom have started opening automatically. Continue is opening on its own. So wow guys, can I see you're all set? You're successfully linked your email to your Bloom account. So guys, now I've done this now. So let me tap on got it down there. You can see it right there. So guys, this is how you can link your email on your Bloom account. See you in the next upload. Bye.